Okay, so as you see, I have a few thingies right here, but the reason is what's in this box. And this is actually really cool. I tell you, this is a 20-volt kind of inverter. It's one of these dewalt batteries that I'm going to use with it. Is the 20-volt max batteries. And well, what this is a flash, what do you call, camera flash slash camera charger, whatnot, whatever you want to call it, stand slash battery slash backup. So what we're gonna do with it, we're gonna mount my camera actually on it directly. So this is the piece that makes sense here. We have the outputs, regular USB type A and a USB type C. Now this one has those 3/4 mounts in here, here, and a female one right here. Now let me just pull what's inside here because we have more stuff. Nice. This is one of those extenders that you can turn around. And actually, I'm going to use this one because I'm going to do something cool. That's another extender in case you need one. Nice. So lanyard. Oh, okay. Haven't seen one of those in a long time. Not sure where it goes here. I'm assuming in one of these. Oh, right here, if you want to install it that way, but I'm not going to install it. It doesn't really make sense to me anyway, because I'm not going to use a lanyard. But boom, the battery goes in, and you just plug your USB right here. I don't have a camera flash, even though it's supposed to be working with a camera flash, but I have a camera without a flash. It's, Sony Alpha 7C. Let me plug this in really quick and see what happens. Boom. Started charging. Not sure if you can see. Yep, there's like a orange light right there. That means the camera is actually charging. And how we're gonna do this, I'm just gonna install it on the shoe right here. Not shoe, but the mounting point, and see how that goes. I'm gonna put it on the adapter that I have on this camera. This is an E mount to EF mount adapter. So it goes to the Sony, goes from Sony into a Canon lens. Nice. So this is super tight right now, actually. It's not going anywhere. Just plug in the battery and look at that. We're good to go. But if you want to mount it sideways, you can, because that's why this exists here. But in my case, I'm going to use this for something else, just so it looks cool, I guess, at this point. We put it here on this side. I think I have one here. Yep. So if I want to install something else and not just use it for extender, I have another mount outside the camera itself, and I have one of these small rigs. These things are actually really cool for this kind of installation. So now on the side, if I wish so, always, look at that, I can throw in a phone either as a monitor or extra recording, as you see here, and I can plug this in and charge either the phone or the main camera. Look at that. Boom. So now while I'm filming, I could have this going on. This is actually really cool. And if you want to, you can have one of these tripods that has another one of these extensions that can go sideways and mount it on a tripod with the battery. That is totally up to you if you wish so. But this is actually really cool. And I can still use the camera screen to see or monitor myself if I wish so. That's it. Besides that, what else can I tell you? It just simply works, and works exactly as intended. Okay, so here I have another USB cable that we're gonna plug it on the phone, but I'm gonna have to lay the phone like this so you can actually see it, and just plug it directly to the USB-C. And let me see if they can both charge. Yep, they're both getting all the juicy stuff. And besides that, what else can I tell you? It's actually a really cool gadget to have around. And well, I don't know. You can take the lenses this easy and put them back in that easy as well. And you can still have full use of your camera. However you wish to use it, it's all yours. What else do you want me to say? It just simply works, and it doesn't come off from the camera at all, because the mount on top looks really cool. Look, I'm actually shaking the camera. It doesn't go anywhere. And if you have multiple batteries, just take one and install a second one. when this one goes out, even though these batteries last a long time, but you know, just in case you want to. Besides that, the rest is all on you. How you want to use it, how you wish to use it. That's, you know, the more important part of it. As per me, this is the configuration I'm going to be using with, even though I know it's advertised as a camera flashlight battery thingy, but you know, we no longer use flashlights on cameras. Well, unless you're a professional, then you're a different category, but my case, look, this camera has literally 0 flashlight. Because I don't need it, that's the whole point. But yeah, I just wish Sony didn't put these little thingies here and they stopped at just this and not these. But hey, Sony, they do things their own way. But besides that, this whole stuff comes with this little battery inverter for your camera and your camera lights. That's it. It's that easy and simple. Let me install this here just so I don't lose them, because this is going to the camera bag and probably coming with me for a while. I did not think this, but hey, somebody thought of it. And they did a good job with the 3D print, it looks like. The ridges, I don't know if the camera is going to show us, but because the good camera is down here, so I have no way to focus better than that. But they did actually a good job. Yeah, I would say I can highly suggest it.